Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the face unlock when it's not working on your Vivo X300. So, actually, at first, what I do recommend is to take this such a thing, which is the microfiber cloth, and wipe the screen area over here. This should fix your issue. Wipe it gently, but very, very accurately. Now, when it's wiped, it should work. Let's check. As you can see, it works. But what if it doesn't work for you? What I do recommend is go to the settings and scroll down to the security and privacy over here. Tap device unlocking. Device unlocking over here, and here tap on the face. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Enter lock screen password. OK. And now you can either add alternative face, the second one, or tap clear face data. What I do recommend is just to clear your face data, because you'll reset all the maybe not cache, but all the memory that stores your face, and you'll just reset it. Here tap add face, enroll now, and now have your face, align your face in the circle. Yes, it was me, and actually, as you can see, that's it. Tap OK, and now it should work. It works. It's that easy. But if it still doesn't work for you, what I do recommend is to ensure good lighting and just good conditions around you during your setup and use. Because as you can see, your iPhones does have actually the leader built in here, and what it does is, as you can see, recognizes your face during the night. But our Vivo can't really do it. Faces don't match, as you can see. It's because here we do have the camera, and here we do have LiDAR. So ensure good lighting during setup and use, and as the final step, if it doesn't work for you, is to update your software and to fix any camera bugs that appear on your phone. Go to the settings, go to the system update, and here, as you can see, we do have the latest version of our OS. If you do have the latest version, if you do have these problems, wait for any quick patch fix on your phone and update your OS immediately. But if you do have some pending update your phone. It's recommended actually, because you can fix some camera bugs, as I said. And actually, that's it for this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.